Oh ho, coffee. You have plans to study all night.
I'm not as good as you. Without coffee, I'll sleep off in 10 minutes.
Hey, we have to give our best tomorrow, Abhi.
Year by year, PG entrance is getting harder. I don't know what will happen this year.
And over that, I want general medicine. Do you think will I get it?
You may, but think you need to get within 300 ranking for that.
Anyhow, which subject you are aiming for?
Me? Can't say. I have to aim for a reasonable rank and to have to choose from whatever seat they allot to my category. It's a bit of luck for me.
Then best of luck for tomorrow, Abhi. Hey Abhi, you got the message. I can't wait, man.
Hey, relax.
Please
relax.
check mine.
This thing is bloody slow. You give me your hall ticket.
What's your rank?
Mine is 1650. But third in my category. May get after all. Shrikant. Whoa, not bad, man. 274. You will get general medicine this time.
I'm keeping my fingers crossed, man. And by the way, congrats to you.
Congrats, man. Hi Shri. Dude, you'll not believe what just happened. You're looking at Dr. Abhiram, MD, General Medicine. I cannot believe it, man. I'm extremely happy.
Hi, Abhi.
Hi.
Congratulations, man. I think you do this now.
Hey Shri. What happened? What seat did you take?
Nothing. I didn't get any seat.
What? Last year cutoff was 300, right?
This year they have given extra 5% reservation to some god forbidden caste and cutoff dropped to 230. God, I hate these reservations. What kind of a shitty system are we living in, man?
Gee. Sorry Shri. Hard luck, dude.
Luck. It happens only to underprivileged people like you, and now you enjoy your privileges.
See, if you want I can get you a caste certificate, man.
So for a seat, you want me to become a lower caste person? Is it?
See, this is why reservations are still continuing. This feeling of upper and lower caste. Am I a low caste person for you now?
Hey, sorry Abhi. I was very upset. But don't you think that reservation system is bad? I understand the point of it is giving a little edge to underprivileged people. But in our scenario, we both studied in same college with same facilities, in which also you joined through reservation. Then again, why you should get reservation?
Look Shri, why are you blaming me? What would you do if you were in my position?
I don't know. But you know that I deserve the seat more than you.
Look Shri, let us do a small social experiment. Come with me, come. See? He didn't even look at the beggar.
What? Come on, man. What's wrong there? He found a note by chance. He took it, and there is no rule that he has to help the beggar. What's your point there?
See, you are like that beggar. I am like that rich man.
What?
Don't get me wrong. Let me explain. This scenario looks like our situation. That man looked well to do. He didn't deserve that note, but he still took it. Lesson number 1. People always take what they get, not what they deserve. That blind man looked like he deserved that money, Because he's blind. He didn't get it. Lesson number 2. People always don't get what they deserve. They have to live with it. And Shri, that note is like our seat. The system throws it wherever it feels like. Not everybody will get it. Lesson number 3. We have to learn to live with it. Because we are a part of that system.
So you are telling that reservations are good. Then why don't poor upper caste people like me also get some reservation?
Dude, again upper caste, lower caste. Let's just keep it as rich and poor, man.
I'm sorry, Abhi.
I agree with what you're saying, dude. I know the reservation system in our country is not perfect. It won't change until the caste and religion section is taken out of all official documents. And it looks like that day will never come.
Should we join politics to change the system then?
No. We should not fight in the name of religion and caste as we're doing now. System will automatically change.
I'm really sorry, Abhi. I said things that hurt you. Thanks for making me realize that caste system is the cause and reservation are just its effects.
I'm also sorry, dude. You didn't get the seat. Come.